Let's face it, when it comes to protecting your premises, keeping the heat in, and the bills down, insulated industrial roller shutters are the unsung superheroes of the security world. At HVP Security Shutters, we're rolling out, pun intended, top-quality insulated shutters across the UK, helping businesses defend their assets, tame their energy costs, and keep things running smoother than a well-oiled roller. So what are these marvels of modern engineering? Picture a double-skinned lath packed with CFC-free polystyrene, basically a security blanket for your building that's tough as nails. This clever design keeps the warmth where you want it, inside, and the noise where you don't, outside, all while standing firm against would-be intruders. Let's break down the superpowers. Thermal insulation. With U values as low as 0.69 WWM2K, these shutters are like a hot cup of tea on a chilly day, perfect for keeping the cold at bay. Acoustic insulation, up to 18 dBA of noise reduction, so your warehouse can finally stop doubling as a drum kit. Energy savings. Less heat sneaking out means your heating and cooling bills take a welcome tumble. Security. Galvanized steel or aluminium construction. Think of it as a suit of armor for your building, fending off vandals and break-ins. Convenience. Electric operation, with manual override, just in case your building fancies a power nap. And a range of finishes to match your business's style. Low maintenance, built to last, so you can spend less time fixing and more time doing, well, anything else. Peace of mind. Fully compliant with ISO 9001-2015, because we like paperwork as much as the next person. Where do these wonders work best? Warehouses, factories, loading bays, garages, farms, transport hubs, retail units, clean rooms, you name it. If it's got an opening and needs protection, our shutters are up for the job. Don't just take our word for it. Recent clients in logistics and distribution have seen their energy bills shrink and security beefed up, all thanks to our insulated industrial roller shutters. Ready to give your building the superhero treatment? Get in touch. Your assets and your accountant will thank you.